There are more than 25 lakh people in this country and more than 1 crore people in this world who cannot see the colorful world you and me are enjoying. That's because of a condition called as corneal blindness. Medical field can help them only if the public can come forward and donate eyes. Eye donation is very noble. This is simple. Eyes can be donated only after death. During lifetime, if you wish to donate your eyes, just tell your near and dear ones that is your wish. Post death, within 6 hours, the eyes can be donated. The procedure is simple. Any nearest eye bank can be contacted. The procedure can be done within few minutes, and this can help at least 4 other people to see vision. Each eye that is retrieved can help 2 people to see good vision.